Back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can view like information on the esports that are going on Valorant, on the like competition, I guess. I don't know how to explain it. So go to esports, and in Spotlight you'll be able to see like what's going on right now. So right now it's the Valorant Champions in Seoul, so you can select event details and you'll be able to see the schedule here, partner teams. These are the pick'ems, these are the brackets. So this is group A, group B, group C, and group D. So right now currently playing is Gen G versus Sentinels. And you'll be able to see as well here where they're from. So this is like from China, Pacific, EMA, America, etc., etc. So like each team, like each bracket consists one of each like region. Here you'll be able to see the schedule as well, and as you can see it's live right now. And you'll see the global events. These are finished, these are going on right now. You'll also see the brackets here, and you'll be able to see who got advanced to playoffs. And that is pretty much it, really. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!